Joan of Arc here. We are now leaving Sagada and we've passed by this upside down house. So it's very interesting. It's got the roof design upside down. And we are now headed to Puskalan and there's supposed to be no internet there. Now I'm in Bontoc.
The early vegetation of our place.
Yeah, it's supposed to be grassland.
Grassland. That's why we have the grass roofings in our houses, because that was abundant material that they used. But when they started planting the trees, they bring the trees closer to the backyards. They found out that there are a lot of springs are already dry.
Is that Chico River pa rin? Chico River. We are now in Kalinga province. I get her from this angle. Got off our service vehicle from that point, and from here onward is going to be a 30-minute hike up to Whang-od's place. Not even to her place yet, but to our homestay place. Enjoy the view. Doing the trek with our guide Dolores here. And this is the mountain view. It's 11:30 in the morning, so it's noon, high noon. This is the kind of road that we have to deal with going up to our homestay. It's only 30 minutes for the locals here, and I don't know, maybe double for the city dwellers. How to get through there and avoid falling. During our hike, I learned Kalinga greeting. Koyarkao! We arrived at this tourist information center. I thought this is our homestay, but this is just a stopover. This is not yet. It's still 500 meters away. Just near. Don't worry. We're just taking a breather. From up here, I remember going through those machines and hiking all the way and down there and up here and following a snaky path uphill, panting and huffing and puffing all the way up. We're supposed to register.
Yes, we have to sign the piece of paper, name, address, expected number of days. Thank you.
Paying our registration fee here at the tourism center. We're going up to our homestay, to our village homestay. The houses here are made of very sturdy materials, high quality, and how were they able to carry all that stuff up here is just unbelievable. We're passing through a village. It's very common to see pigs strewn all over. Pigs and pigs and pigs all over. Black pigs especially. Some occasional dogs, but more of pigs. I've probably seen 50 pigs already. Puskalan Tattoo Homestay with bonfire.
I got distracted by the amount of pigs.
Oh yes, me too. So this is one of the rooms.
Welcome to heaven.
Dolores is serving freshly brewed, authentic Kalinga coffee. Kalinga coffee. There's this issue about water. They don't have bottled water, but they assure that the water is fresh from the forest. We're having an impromptu lunch right now, very unprepared. This place serves only rice and coffee, and we have to improvise. So we found a bunch of tomatoes and we made tomato salad in soy sauce. Home sweet home for now here at Puskalan at the tattoo homestay of Mangaspar. It's a beautiful place out here and we'll be here for a couple of nights. This is Joan of Arc. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.